In this video, we're going to look at the third type of similar triangles. So in this type of similar triangle, this time we have an alternate angle. So what we're going to say is DE is parallel to the line AB. So the angle EDB, this angle, is alternate to angle DBA. And then angle DEA, and these two, is alternate to angle EAB. Then angle DCE is vertically opposite to angle ACB. So now we have identified which angles are the same. So I'm going to first draw the angles in the big triangle. So we've got 2 lines here, 3 lines here. Making sure the smaller triangle looks exactly the same in terms of the angles. So now we can write our lengths in. So we can say this is A, C, and B, and then we've got, now we'll be careful here. Now the 3 lines has C on it, so we've got C on the smaller triangle. The single line is D, so that's going to be a D here, and then the one that's 2 lines on it is E. Now we can write in our lengths. So AB is 6 centimeters, BC is 5.7 centimeters, and then on the smaller triangle, EC is 2.8, so we could write that in 2.8 centimeters. And then DE is 4 centimeters. So here are our similar triangles, and we need to work out AC and CD. So first of all, we need to work out the scale factor. So the scale factor is the larger length of what's known, so which is 6. So that's AB over ED. So AB is 6 and ED is 4, so we get 1.5. So the bigger triangle is 1.5 times the side of the smaller triangle. Now we're trying to work out AC, so we can say AC is the bigger version of EC. So it's 1.5 times EC, so 1.5 times 2.8. You can work that on our calculator. 1.5 times 2.8. That gives me 4.2 centimeters. Then the next part of the question said to work out CD. So we can say, right, well, CD is the smaller version of CB. So CD is CB divided by the scale factor, which you know is 1.5. So in our case, it's going to be 5.7 divided by 1.5. So 5.7 divided by 1.5 here, that gives me 3.8 centimeters. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, give it a try, and then watch my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So we've got 2 parallel lines, AB and DE. So we need to identify the alternate angles. So angle EDB, this angle is alternate to angle DBA, and angle DEA is alternate to angle EAB. And then angle DCE is vertically opposite to angle ACB. So now I can draw my similar triangles out. So I'm going to start with the smaller one now. So we've got A, B, and C. Now this has got 2 lines in it, 3 lines in it here, and 1 line. So make sure the bigger triangle looks exactly the same in terms of the angles first. So like this and here, and the letters must match the angle. So we can say the one that's got 3 lines in it is C. The one with a single line is going to be D. So we've got D here. And then the one that's got a double line in it is E. So we could write E here. Stop and double check. So we've got C. E's got 2 lines and D's got 1 line, and ED is 5 centimeters. DC is 4 centimeters. Then on the smaller triangle, AC is 3.6 and AB is 3 centimeters. So the question's asking us to work out CE and BC. So let's first of all work out the scale factor. So the scale factor is going to be, so the scale factor is DE over AB, which is 5 over 3. Let's just leave it as a fraction for now. So CE is the larger version of CA. So I'm going to say CA times 5 over 3. So that's 3.6 times by 5 over 3. And we get 3.6 times by 5 over 3. That's exactly 6. So 6 centimeters. Now the next part of the question says we need to work out BC. So BC is the smaller version of CD. So BC is CD divided by the scale factor of 5 over 3. Now CD is 4. We can divide that by 5 over 3. And we can just type that straight into our calculator. 4 divided by 5 over 3. And that gives me 2.4 centimeters. 2.4 centimeters.